Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, May 20th. In the last couple of sessions, we talked about shame being the demon of the third chakra, solar plexus chakra. So today, let's dive into balancing this chakra to support ourselves in getting out of shame. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be natural and simply observe how this natural breath flows through your body. There is no need to change your breath, to fix it. It's perfect the way it is. Just as there is no need to fix yourself. You are perfect just the way you are. Just see if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breath and a sense of spaciousness in your whole being. So all the experience of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to connect with your solar plexus chakra, located at the level of your solar plexus. If you want, you can put one or two, both hands on your solar plexus. You can also imagine a sphere of yellow light, your personal bright sun shining its rays of energy from within you and into the world, radiating further and further out, as far as you can feel. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Manipura, can be translated as lustrous gem. So staying connected with this beautiful sunny energy that you are capable of producing yourself at all times, reflect on all the ways you are a lustrous gem. Remember all your wonderful qualities, your amazing strengths. And let every cell of your body get filled with this realization. I am a lustrous gem. I can do whatever I decide to do. I am enough. Let yourself get filled with this bright yellow light, the energy of your solar plexus chakra. Remember, you are allowed to make decisions and act based on your free choice. Claim this birthright without shame. In the endocrine system, the solar plexus chakra corresponds to pancreas, producing hormones that help your body break down and use food. So maybe imagine how these glands, the pancreatic islets, are getting all the nourishment and support they need. Feel your connection with the fire element of the solar plexus chakra. nourishing your pancreas, remembering your right to make decisions and act out of free will without shame. Start repeating these affirmations after me, silently or out loud. I am a lustrous gem. I honor the power within me. The fire within me burns through all blocks and fears. I can do whatever I will to do without shame. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. Now imagine your solar plexus chakra as a beautiful yellow flower right at the level of your solar plexus. We're going to repeat the Bija mantra for the solar plexus chakra, Ram, R-A-M, Ram, 7 times. With each repetition, see this flower opening its petals more and more, blooming without shame. Ram, 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 Ram. Stay in the space of awareness you created through this practice. Enjoy it. And once again, remind yourself, I do enough. I have enough. I am enough. Now gently start letting go of your practice, and as you do this, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day-to-day, I invite you to notice when you start feeling disconnected from your own power, when you doubt yourself and your choices, when you feel entangled in the shame web, when you feel you are not good enough. In these moments, remind yourself, I do enough. I have enough. I am enough. All is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.